Alexa, play Live Like a Warrior.
Here's Live Like a Warrior by Mattis Yahoo on Amazon Music.
Alexa, lower volume. Oh, how long have I wanted to draw this guy? Alexa, lower volume. Sorry. I'm just doing this really early at night. Tonight we're gonna draw Insectivore Alexornis. A prehistoric type of bird. Well, it's basically related to Microraptor. It has a turkey-like look. They mostly feed off of the insects on other herbivores, such as Pachyrhinosaurus. You remember that one, right? Good times. Anyway. There we are. Here we go. Here are the tail feathers. This one goes out to a very special friend of mine. I'm talking about Alex from Walking with Dinosaurs. All credit for this goes out to the creators of Walking with Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are what they call one of the best creatures ever. If Walking with Dinosaurs had another live experience, they would make it like this. They would have Pachyrhinosaurs as the main protagonists. And they would also have, they would have them travel and walk past gentle giants such as, Edmontosaur, and Ankylosaur, and even face off against the Gorgosaurus. You remember that, right? And that's what I'll do. I'll live like a warrior. Alexa, play More by Usher.
More. Young Jimmy Joker remix.
And why did I say that again? Oh yeah, this is a song I've been wanting to find for a while. This was the song I've been trying to track down for like, I don't know how many years exactly, but I've been itching to hear it again. After a long time, I finally got him. Let's see. And done. That's how you draw Alexornis from Walking with Dinosaurs. What can I say? Dinosaurs are top of the class. I consider this one of my favorites. Anyway, all credit for this goes out to the creators of Walking with Dinosaurs, BBC Video, Universal Studios, and Netflix. And to all those who live in Jamaica! Ay ay ay! Anyway, that's all for now. Good night.